showing off, but it's alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another try on haul. I have a few items from Prettylittlething and Missguided. So this is like a Prettylittlething Missguided haul number 2. These items are a bit more mixed up and random, so we all know the drill. We want this haul to be quick as possible because I watch a lot of try on hauls and a lot of times I'm just like, look girl, I just want to see the clothes. Okay, we're gonna start off with Missguided. I have these satin track pants and they're black with a nude stripe down the side. These are in a size 0. They fit I don't know, they fit nicely, but I just wish the leg was a little more tapered toward the end because it's kind of loose. But I really like these pants. I like how they sit on the waist, and I also like the tie. I like where the tie is positioned, pretty different, and it has pockets, so you can't go wrong with that. So yeah, I have these. I'll probably pair these with like a black racerback bodysuit and maybe some strappy heels or something. But yeah, this is what these look like. I have this workout outfit. I do not work out whatsoever, but me and my friend were talking about working out, and I know I'm probably not gonna work out, but I want to look cute, so I saw this on Missguided and I was like, I gotta have it. So it's these cropped high-waisted workout pants. They're black and gray and they lace up really cute. There's like a pocket in the back. I got these in a size 0. They don't fit. I don't know, I might have to take the waist in, take the leg in, I don't know, because it's pretty loose on me. Well, not pretty loose, it's just not as tight as I would like workout clothes to be, because you don't want to be working out or fake working out and your clothes are falling down on you. Like, that's not what we want. So yeah, I got these pants, and then with the pants I got this sports bra. So it just looks like this, same black and gray. The back is just mesh. I got this top in a size 0 as well. Okay, so this fits, but the straps aren't adjustable, and I feel like the straps are kind of loose. So I wish the straps were adjustable, but it fits nonetheless. I could put another bra underneath it just so this will be more snug, so the straps will be tighter, but I don't know. But yeah, I got that. Next from Missguided, I have this t-shirt. It's just a plain white t-shirt. It says Rouge on it. I just thought this was really cute and simple. I could pair these with jeans and then like a red lip. So yeah, got this shirt. I also got a pair of biker shorts. I thought these were really cute, super cute to wear on like 4th of July. It's black and red, and not black and red, it's blue, like navy blue and red, and it just says USA on them. I got these in a size 00. They fit really nicely. They're high-waisted, super cute, perfect length. I just love biker shorts, especially for like the summertime. Perfect. And then with those biker shorts, I got this cropped USA shirt. I just thought this would be really cute paired together. I might not wear it together, but I bought it to wear it together. So we'll see how that looks. But I just thought this would be really cute for 4th of July, just to be like extra festive. So the last thing that I have from Missguided is this dress here. This is a one-piece dress, but it's kind of giving me 2-piece vibes. So this top piece ties into a bow, and then the bottom, like your midriff stomach, is exposed, and then it's like a little button-up skirt. It has spaghetti straps that do adjust, which I love, and it's like this pinstripe. So they had it in different colors, but the materials were different, and I wanted something that's cotton. So yeah, I got this in a size 0 as well. I haven't tried this dress on. Some of the items I do try on before I film this video, before I film the talking part, just so I can tell you how the items fit. But sometimes I don't try on everything, so I don't know how that fits yet, but we'll see in the try on part. So moving right along to Prettylittlething, I got this dress. It's a red floral print dress. Really cute. I actually got the earrings that the model had on with the dress because I just thought the look was so cute. So this is definitely like a summer dress. It's really cute. It's cut pretty low, so it does expose like your boobie area, but nothing a little tape won't help cover, and it's pretty short actually, so I don't know, I just thought this was really cute. I got this dress in a size 0, I'm sure. Yes, I got this dress in a size 0. Next dress I got from Pretty Little Thing is this black blazer dress. These dresses are pretty popular right now, and I thought this would be really cute. I got this in a size 0, and I don't know why I got a 0 because I wanted it to fit oversized. So I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this size, but I wanted something bigger, not something tight. But this is what I have. It's a size 0. It's really snug. The next thing I have is a lace bodysuit in this emerald forest. I don't know what color this is. Forest green? Hunter green? Green. We're just going to call this green. I got this green lace bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. It just looks like this. It's sheer, so you're definitely going to have to put something under this, some pasties or something, because you will be exposing people, and I normally don't go for things like this, and I actually wanted a black one, but I accidentally picked green, so I'm just gonna have to make it work. But yeah, we'll see how this works out. It is a thong bodysuit, and it does snap at the bottom, which makes life so much easier. So yeah, I'm sure I got this in a size 0. Yep, this is in a 0 as well. Pretty much everything I have is in a size 0. So I'm just gonna stop saying the size that I got. Next, I have this 2-piece. I got it out the petite section. This is a stone washed cropped hoodie. Comes with matching, well, I actually got the hoodie in a size 2 because I didn't want it to be super snug. I wanted it to be a little bit baggy, but yeah, I got this in a size 2, and it comes with these matching high-waisted raw cut edge shorts. Really cute set online. I'm gonna try this on so we can see how it looks in real life. I got the shorts in a size 0, a 00, so yeah, we'll see how these fit. I love the color. I love these nudie sets. I just think they're so cute. I have this bright orange sweater material. It's a ruffle, well, it has ruffles on it, little crop top. I just love how bright this orange is. It just screams you need me. I just love the way orange looks on my skin tone, and I just knew I needed this. I got this in a size 2 because they didn't have a 0, so it is a little baggy. The arms are pretty long, which I don't mind at all because I'm normally like doing this to my shirts that are long sleeve anyway. So yeah, this is just really cute. Even though it is a sweater material, I feel like you can get away with it until summer gets here, or you can wear this on like a summer night when it starts to get a little breezy. But wearing this throughout the day, you're gonna be sweating because this is thick, but I just needed it, and it's so cute. The next thing I got from Pretty Little Thing is this blue floral bodysuit. I got this in a size 0. It does not fit. Oh my goodness, it does not fit. I mean, I could wear this without snapping it, but because it's so tight, this doesn't drape how it should. It's just like wide open. So with these bodysuits like this, I would definitely size up like 2 sizes, because you're just not going to get the fit that you want. You're not going to be able to move around without exposing a boob or something. So, and this will be really cute with these red earrings as well. I don't normally wear like dangly earrings like this, but I want to give it a try. So yeah, this will be really cute with these earrings too. Little pops of red in it. And then the last few items I have are actually bottoms. So the first bottoms that I have are these paper bag waist check print pants. It has a tie that is like connected to the pants, but they just look like this. The next pair of pants that I have are these green high waist scuba knit pants. Hopefully they fit. They look really small, so I hope I can get them on. There's a little bit of stretch, but we gonna see. I don't know why I get 0s. It's like, it's kind of hard. It's like a hit or a miss. Like either a 0 will be too small, or it'll be perfect, or it'll be too big. You just never know. So I just like to get the size that I know I'm most comfortable with. So we're gonna try these on and see how they fit. They're supposed to be really cute and high-waisted, so hopefully slap myself in the face. If they do not fit, I'll probably reorder them, but in black and in a bigger size. So we'll see. And then the last item that I have from Missguided are these black scuba knit pants. They do look like they're gonna fit. They honestly look a little big. I don't like pants that kind of give you an illusion of hips, like that go out. I'd rather my pants fit me and then hug the curves that I already got. Well, hug the curves that I already have and not give me fake curves. That's just not cute to me. So I did get these in a size 0. We'll see how they fit. They look a little big, ain't gonna lie. A little big in the hip area, but yeah, they're just basic black pants. They do have a little step hem on the bottom. That's what drew me to them on the website. I thought they were really cute, but getting them, they look really cheap. So we'll see how these fit. You know, they feel pretty cheap. These feel really nice and thick. They feel like really good material, and the material of both of these are very similar. These are just much thinner and they don't feel as thick and sturdy as these. So we'll see how those work. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope it was quick enough for you, because I try not to go on and on and on. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.